All right, welcome to module number 8, where we'll be setting up Google Analytics. So Google Analytics allows you to track and understand your website visitors' behavior and what they're looking for and whether your business is addressing their needs. It allows you to use its technology to sort of dissect and study your online business so you can cater well to your customers. So let's begin. So go on over to Plugins, Add New, and we're going to search for Google Analytics. And the plugin we're looking for is Google Analytics Dashboard for WordPress by Exactmetrics. So go ahead and click Install Now, and then Activate. And then go ahead and click on Settings. And then we are going to create a free analytics account, so feel free to open that up in a new tab. And then we can scroll down and click here. Now make sure that we're logged in to our account, which we are. Go ahead and click sign up. And now we're gonna put in our information. You can just create an account name, and then the same thing with the website name. Go ahead and put in the URL. Select the category. And then get tracking ID. Accept the terms. And then we'll see our tracking ID has been created. So now let's head back over to our WordPress, and we're going to click Authorize Plugin. And then we're going to click on Get Access Code. Log in, click Allow, and then copy that. Feel free to close that, and then we're going to paste in our access code. And there we go. That is complete. Now we have our website connected to Google Analytics.